Hello guys, today I will show you this rolling calendar app I have developed in Google Sheets. So this app integrates Google Sheet, Google Calendar, and Google Forms. So the way it works is first, so if you are an educator, an event organizer, or just an ordinary citizen and would like to create an event in Google Calendar and then create an event in Google Form, so this might help you. So the way it works is first you have to create the event in, let's say it starts at 9 a.m. and ends in 5 p.m. Let's say the event title is Leadership 101. This is a leadership event. Then you set the location. Let's get the location here in our form. And then here in form ID, you get the form ID of the form for that event. Then you create the event, clicking sync events. Okay, so event created Leadership 101. So if you look at your Google Calendar, there the event has been created. Okay, so let's say one of your guests wants to attend on your event. So let's say we send the link to the form to our prospective clients. Let's see. So the guest submitted the form, filled up and submitted the form. So when the guest submitted the form, their email address will be automatically added to the event in the Google Sheet. There you can see that the email address has been added. The total guest becomes 1. And when you look at the Google Calendar, you can see that the guest has been added to the event, and then the Google Calendar will send a notification to the guest about the event. Let's check their Gmail. There, Google Calendar send an invitation to the event. Okay, so you don't have to worry anything about sending email to the clients to remind them that an event is coming up, because Google Calendar will do that for you. So let's say you have a limited limited seats to your event, so you want to set the guest limit so that when the form reach the total guest, then the form will be disabled and nobody can submit another response to the form. So let's say the guest limit is 2, and then you set the form to another guest. Let's say this one. So this and another, let's say Jando. none. Prepare not to say. So when another guest submitted the form, so you can see their email address has been added. You can see that there are now two email addresses on our guest list, and when you check the Google Calendar, there two guests has been added. And since our guest limit is 2, so the form will no longer accept responses. There, you see, it's not accepting responses now. So that when you send the link to another guest and they wanted to fill up the form, they will notify that the leader that the form no longer accept responses, because we have already reached the total limit for the number of guests. So you don't have to worry about sending email or pop-up notification, because you can set it here in the Google Sheet. Let's say you want to send an email notification to the guest 5 minutes before the event, and the pop-up notification 30 minutes before the event. I mean 5 hours before the event and 30 minutes before the event. So when the Google Sheet syncs with the Google Calendar, so when you check out the Google Calendar, you can see that notification has been added. So Google Calendar will automatically send notifications, an email notification 5 hours before the event, and the pop-up notification 30 minutes before the event. Google Calendar will send notifications to all the guests in your guest list. So you don't have to worry anything. So let's say uh, a place of your event has been changed has changed, and let's say it will now happen in Manila. Then you'll when the sheet syncs with the Google Calendar, the event will be updated. There, the location now becomes Manila, and Google Calendar will send notifications to the guest telling that the event has been edited. Uh, let's check their email. There, updated invitation. And the location changed to Manila. So you don't have to worry about sending notifications to your clients when an event has been modified. The time has changed, the location has changed, because Google Calendar will do that for you. You just have to sync the sheet with the Google Calendar by clicking this sync events to force sync. But it but this sheet automatically syncs every 5 minutes. So even if you don't do a force sync using this button, it will automatically sync every 5 minutes. So that's it.